Hi, I'm Dr. Avpreet Singh, and I would like to share a very interesting point of view regarding the coronavirus. So, doctors around the world have been really successful in understanding the nature of the coronavirus, its structure, and its characteristics. The most important characteristic of the coronavirus is that it has the tendency of mutation. Mutation means once the virus enters your body, it might behave differently in different human beings. So, this concept, if we apply on human beings, it is also known as the concept of individualization, which means different human beings might show different symptoms according to their own immunity and different other factors to the same virus. So, what according to me, doctors around the world are doing wrong, probably. So, they are trying to find one medicine which is able to cure approximately 2 to 3 million people who are infected with coronavirus and which might be behaving differently in all of them, and already those people are from different countries, have different immunities, are showing maybe different symptoms, have different diets, have different recovery period, have different immunities, and have different many other things with one medicine. According to me, that is the biggest conceptual flaw in the treatment, in the search of the treatment of the coronavirus. We do have to understand, it's high time that we have to understand the concept of individualization. There cannot be possibly one medicine that is able to cure all of them. Also, that is the only reason, that's why it's very difficult for the doctors and the researchers to make one vaccine which might be able to cure or prevent the entire human population. It's very difficult, and it might take a lot of time to invent a vaccine for this. So, what is the solution? According to me, I'm a homeopathic doctor. So, according to me, many people do not know. I would like to share this, that homeopathy also works on the concept of individualization, which means if I get three patients, let us say A, B, and C, infected with the same virus, for example, coronavirus, might show different symptoms when they come at my clinic, and there's a fair possibility that I am able to cure them, and according to the symptoms, they all get cured with the different medicines. This is the concept of individualization. We just have to apply this concept around the world. Of course, it's easily said than done, but it's not impossible. We just need to make teams of 2 to 3 doctors or 3 to 4 doctors, homeopathic doctors specifically, and assign their duties to the concerned hospitals. But this can only be done with the support of the concerned authorities, obviously, the government and the WHO and other authorities, CDC, and in India also, Delhi government, central government, all of them. So, with this video, I would like to request to the authorities that we should consider homeopathic doctors for the treatment of the coronavirus, and as doctors, we also do deserve an equal chance to treat the patients who are infected. Till the time we do not have any other treatment, till the time the vaccination is not made, or any other treatment, we are confident that we will be able to treat the patient, cure the patient. Thank you so much.